Question about Bracha. If one eats a fruit or vegetable for extracting its juice and spit out the fruit afterwards, for example, chewing sugar cane or juice in some cultures, what bracha should he make?
So just suck out only the juice and spit out the fruit. So I would say shechako, right? Because I think so, right? Even if you like, it's like maybe simple example for the rest of us, you can eat your orange like that, right? You can suck out the juice from the piece of orange and to throw out the orange. So it's what you got only the liquid.
Rabbi?
Yes.
So in this case of sucking the juice or the flavor and then spitting the solid thing, would it be similar to chewing gum and we wouldn't have to make bracha or not afterwards?
No, I mean if you just with the chewing gum, you don't swallow anything, right? Whatever you swallow, you saliva with a taste of the bubble gum. So it's not tangible. But when you suck this juice from an orange, it's a juice, right? So I would suspect. Tell you what, that maybe in this case some authority would say Beverage, and I'm going to explain why. So there is this line of thought in Halachos that the juices inside of the fruits, they're not actually the juice as a beverage. It's actually like sweat of the fruit. Sweat of the fruit, meaning it's a part of the fruit that was trapped inside. You understand? So according to them, so even on juices you would say Beverage if it was grown for juices and stuff like that. But like to follow the simple logic, I would say since it's liquid, I mean there is this also opinion there is liquid. We can say shechako since we don't eat salads.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.